I'm the ambassadors of these products, no? These products are called Rosenda Back to Nature. What's new, what's so exciting about this product is that, of course, the formulation in itself, no? Katulad ito, Kojic Papaya. So, but you know what? Aside from being innovative, they have these crystals. Okay, no?
Ganda, oh.
Yeah, they have different crystals. I love crystals. I love Geology. This is guys, Choco Rose Berry Soap. This one is Kojic Gluta Soap. And this is charcoal soap, of course. This one, blue naman siya yung kanyang crystals. This is Insta White Soap. And then this one, Niacinamide Soap. Ito yung... this is pink. Okay? This is a combination of charcoal and aloe vera. Yung crystals, by the way, tribute to the Philippines' rich culture and natural legacy. No? So, itong mga crystals po na to ay kinokollect, no? At pag kinolect mo siya, papalitan ulit siya ng mga iba pang mga prices. Parang pwede mo ibalik ulit kay Rosenda Back to Nature. Kaya nga Back to Nature.